Be nice. Hi, welcome back to 123stitch.com. Do you love dogs as much as I do? I rescued these two little darlings from the shelter a couple months ago, and we've been having so much fun. This is Riley. This is Dakota. They are brother and sister, and they're about almost 8 months old right now. They're part Chihuahua and part miniature Schnauzer, and 100% lots of fun. I'm pretty sure that everything I've stitched in the last couple months has some dog hair in it, but that's okay. They're totally worth it. Today, I thought I would show you a couple of cross-stitch pictures that I've done that are dog-related, and then also show you a whole bunch of other patterns that are out there and are on my to-do list and might be on yours as well. Of course, everything will have links in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Click on the thumbs up icon if you like what we're doing, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on a thing. Are you guys ready? We're going to get started, okay? All right, let's go. First, I thought I'd show you a few things that I've stitched. This one is called Dog Sleep Paw Prints by Lizzie Kate, and I did this on a 28 count mushroom Lagana. And this one over here is called Starbarks by Plum Street Samplers. And it's stitched on a 36 count oatmeal linen from Fiber on a Whim. Really love that fabric. And I love this design because it combines three of my favorite things: dogs, coffee, and cross stitch. What more could you ask for? I thought I'd show you some other patterns that you might want to stitch that have dogs or puppies in them. I know there's several on there that are on my to-do list. I hope you find something you like. I will have links for everything in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's out there. First up, we have Sweater Weather by Plum Street Samplers. This one features those two adorable little dachshund dogs, and it's done in autumn colors. The dogs are wearing sweaters, of course, and there's a big pumpkin in the middle. Stitched on a 36 count linen with classic colorworks and DMC floss. Next up from Plum Street Samplers is Corgi Caboodle, featuring three adorable Corgi dogs. And this one was done on a 40 count linen with DMC floss. There are many more patterns from Plum Street Samplers that you might want to stitch, so take a look at the link in the description below. Next up, we have Woof Block Party by Hands On Designs. This one is stitched on a 28 count linen with Weeks Dyeworks and DMC floss, and shown finished as a cube with pins from Just Another Button Company that spell out Woof. Cute, right? Then we have from the Blue Flower 12 Dogs of Christmas, which is definitely something I have and I'm going to be stitching next. The ornaments are stitched on 40 count linen with DMC floss, Weeks Dyeworks, and classic colorworks. And I especially love that big dog pulling the sleigh full of dogs. How cute is that? From Dirty Annie's Southern Style, we have two patterns. First, Feliz Naughty Dog, stitched on a 32 count linen and shown finished as an ornament. And then there is the adorable Peppermint bark with the red and white striped dog, stitched on 32 count linen as well. From Scarlett House, we have Canine Quotes 2 with some funny sayings about dogs that we can all relate to, stitched on 40 count linen with Weeks Dyeworks. And from Imaginating, this one I can relate to. Hope you like dogs, because if you come into my house, you better like dogs. Stitched on 14 count white Ada with DMC floss. And the last thing I wanted to show you today was a Mill Hill kit called Dashing Dachshund. I love Mill Hill kits. They're so fun to stitch. They're done on a 14 count perforated paper with DMC floss and beads that are easier to do than you think and turn out beautifully. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed looking at my puppies and some dog patterns, and we'll see you again real soon.